Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Infosys has launched off-campus mass hiring for 2024 batch BE, BTech, right? ME, MTech, MSc, MCA are eligible to apply. And the last date to apply is 11th of September 2024. That means you have another, right, you have another 2 days to apply for it. So BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and right, so MSc, MCA are eligible to apply. And this is a off-campus recruitment program. So friends, basically Infosys has sent an email, right? So you can see date Friday, September 6, 2024 at 12:55 p.m. to the colleges that we are now, inviting candidates to participate in Infosys off-campus recruitment program, right? So invitation to participate in Infosys off-campus recruitment program, and then the details was shared, right? Friends, if we are talking about Infosys SE role, right? So this is for a specialist programmer. So this particular hiring, which is announced, is for a specialist programmer, right? So a specialist programmer, and the package is 9.5 lakhs per annum, right? I will give you the complete details. Also, we will talk about if you are waiting for Infosys SE role, system engineer role, right? Then what will happen? And we are also going to tell you the updated exam pattern, right? And then we will be telling you the programming language, the marks allotted for that, and the topics which are important, right? So each and everything we are going to cover in this particular video, right? Before that, friends, I wanted you to please do like this particular video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is very, very clear why you should subscribe, because see, LNT, LTI Mindtree exams happen, right? So we told you regarding the hiring, biggest official mass hiring, right? LTI Mindtree. And then also, right, so we solved previous year question, and then we solved the question which was asked on same day. We solved, like yesterday only the exam happened, today is 9th, and we solved the question. Then we also released the cutoff next round. So each and every information we are providing you through our channel, so you should not definitely miss it, right? And friends, so right, so we will talk about when Infosys SC hiring will happen, okay, and when this TCS hiring will happen for 2025 batch, okay. So currently we are discussing about Infosys, right, a specialist programmer role, 9.5 lakhs per annum. Now friends, it is very, very clear that this hiring is right now out for 2024 batch, and that is the reason it is off campus, and that is the reason if it is off campus. Otherwise, if it is for 2025 batch, then it will be on campus. We have recently also made some videos on how I cracked Infosys specialist programmer role, right? So Kajal here, so she had shared her experience, okay. And then if you go here, so Infosys SP result, exam cutoff, how many questions you to solve in the examination, enhanced salary, interview experience, each and everything we had covered here, right? So we are already doing a lot of activities on our channel which you already are aware. Okay, so format of exam, there is coding questions will be there. Only coding questions will be asked in Infosys specialist programmer. There is no aptitude, there is no verbal ability, there is no reasoning, okay. Only coding question, and then interview will be conducted, right? So aptitude, verbal, and then reasoning, okay. And there will be no this rounds will not be conducted. So only coding question, and then interview will be conducted. So what all will be asked in the interview? So that same thing I am still telling you. So this particular right, so videos will help you out. So just go and watch these videos. I will give you the link in the description. So how I cracked Infosys specialist programmer, complete process, okay. And only coding question, format of exam. So format of exam is 3 hours, 180 minutes, and total 3 questions will be given to you, and no per question timer. So it's not like, so for first question 60 minutes is there, again for second question you have 60 minutes, again for third question you have 60 minutes. No, so there is nothing like this, okay. So there is nothing like this, okay. So there is no question wise timer here. So 60 minutes, 60 minutes, 60 minutes, nothing like that. So total 3 hours, and 3 questions will be given to you, and that you will have to solve it. Clear? Okay. Then Friends, if we'll talk about exam pattern again, then basic test cases will be there. So one basic test case will be there, and then one medium level test case will be there, boundary test cases, and one difficult level test case will be there, where they will be asking you to provide the optimized solution, time and space complexity, right? Okay. And in basics, they will be asking you algorithm and data structure. In medium, they will be asking you greedy algorithm, and in difficult they will be asking you dynamic programming graph. Okay, fine. Friends, if we talk about the languages which you will be getting to solve the coding question, it will be C++, Java, Python, and JavaScript. Any one of them you will be able to choose during the examination. And if we'll talk about marks, friends, this is this will basically not be listed out by Infosys, but see, for the easy problem generally they give you 50 marks. For medium, they will be giving you 75 marks, and for difficult, they will be giving you 100 marks. Total around 225 marks will be there. Now, friends, so it has been seen, if you solve easy and medium, right, completely, then also you will be able to get selected. Or if you solve difficult one, okay, difficult one, okay, and plus half of the medium level problem, so then also you will be able to get selected. So there is no such particular pattern which they will be following. Based on the cutoff, they will be doing it, right? So basically you have to target the difficult question, okay, and easy problem, one difficult, one easy. Medium, if you skip it also no problem. Or you have to target this medium plus difficult, and easy if you leave it also, there will not be any problem. Now coding questions will be there from the topic arrays. See, because there are 3 coding questions are there, right? In 3 coding questions, easy, medium, and difficult level is there. So arrays will be there, searching and sorting will be there, string will be there, recursion will be there, backtracking will be there, greedy algorithm will be there, dynamic programming will be there, graph will be there, trees will be there, and heaps will be there. So these are the topic which you have to prepare if you want to clear Infosys specialist programmer. Friends, many of the students have already cleared, right? And we wanted you also to clear, right? So if you are TCS results, if you are waiting, I mean joining later, then please go ahead and attempt Infosys specialist programmer. This is a wonderful opportunity. The package is 9.5 lakhs per annum, right? Okay. Now friends, so how you will be able to register? So this is a particular link. Here what you have to do, I agree that I have read all the above declaration, and then you have to accept it, right? Okay. Then you have to put your email ID, first name, last name. Okay. And looks like you have some responses. Do you want to restore them? So if you don't want to restore them, okay. Now friends, you have to fill the gender, okay, then first name. So let me fill the first name, last name, so Pratik Srivastava, okay, and then primary email address. So my email address is pratikkumar.125, okay. Upload recent passport size color photo. So you can upload anything. Right now I don't know what is on my desktop, okay. So I don't think, okay, so this screenshot is blank, okay. So let me upload, done, okay. So and then upload your resume. So my resume will be generally on my desktop itself, okay, fine. And after that, please provide a valid contact number. So my contact number is 808845270. Date of birth, so date of birth 2024 batch, so you will have to provide something like 2002, okay, November, okay, and then 21st, okay. Date of birth is required, fine. Citizenship, date of birth it is not taking, okay, taken. Citizenship is nothing but Indian. Do you have a passport? If you have, yes. Address for communication, so I'll just write Bangalore, okay. Address line 2, again I will put Bangalore. Pin code, okay. Post office, I will select something, okay. Next page. Is there any information which is missing? Yes, so this is red. Please provide a valid, okay, so I need to remove 0 from here, okay. That's all, no problem. Next, so this degree percentage, so degree, right? Okay. And school, so I'll just put some random school, MS College. Board, so I'll just select something. Specialization, I'll just select something. Country, India. State, so you have to provide the correct number, okay. And here 80%. Passing out year, so I'll just select degree, right? 2024, okay. And July, then 12th, Okay, so this is your this is right 20 24. So this will be your 18. Okay, fine. Okay, and then 12th standard, and then okay, okay, fine, and then school. So same thing. I'll just put random things. You have to put it properly. Okay, country India. Okay, fine. Simple average. So CGPA, grade, percentage, anything you can put, and this I'll put 2020. Okay, graduation degree, Bachelor of Engineering Institute. Uh, okay, so here I will select. No, I can't select. Okay, so I'll just go and select some college, university. Okay, state, again, branch, specialization, computer science. We are not able to search basically. Okay, something I will select. Simple average. So again 90 I'll select, and this I will select 2024. Okay, July, June, July, anything. And then post graduation, if we have not done, active backlogs, no, gaps in education, no. And then go to the next page. So this field is required, higher secondary school certificate, something, okay. Just select it. Then next page. Have you undergone any selection process with limited or Indian subsidiary? Okay, Infosys subsidiary. So friends, basically there is a cooling period of Infosys for 6 months. So if you have attempted it within 6 months, then you will not be able to apply for it, right? Okay. So if you select yes, then for Infosys Limited, have you taken any test? Yes. Received an offer? No. Okay, fine. Selected for interview? No. Okay. For Infosys subsidiary, so I'm just selecting no. Taken test? Yes. And okay, test date is also required, so I will just take right. So right now it is September, so I'll just put July. Let's see what happens. Please select a date. Okay, fine. And again here I will select 2024, and then I will select August. So I just wanted to see if they're showing anything here or not. Okay, this field is required. No. No, no, no. Okay, fine. Okay, so are you employed as a director in any company? No, no, no. Okay, fine. Next page. So please upload your college photo identity card. So I will just again select something. Okay, identity card. So it is taking as a PDF file. So let's again put it. Okay. Then next page. I agree. Please validate using your CAPTCHA. Digital signature. Place. Bangalore. Okay, and then I'm not a robot. Okay, submit, and let's see what happens. So thank you for filling out the form. Infosys Limited recruitment powered by Infosys Surveys. Now your application is completed and you should be receiving one email. So I have not yet received. Fine. Okay, no issues. Okay, so that's not a problem. And now friends, two things which I wanted to discuss. So regarding your I mean TCS and Infosys. Okay, so friends, Infosys SC role, right? So what I could say you that Infosys SC role, okay, so you should not expect, right, hiring in 2025. Even for, you know, even for colleges also on campus, they are not starting. I think they have a requirement of Infosys SP role, right, for 9.5 lakhs per annum, and that is the reason, right, and that is the reason the hiring is going on. Even from 2024 batch they are hiring. But Infosys SC role, please don't expect. If we talk about TCS off campus, so friends, TCS on campus is currently, right, planned, and after 2 months only you will be able to, right, and for 2025 batch you will be able to see off campus. So around December, right, you will be able to see off campus from TCS. So you are not going to see any off campus in coming months, right, in 15 days or 10 days or 20 days. So this was a small information I wanted to give you, because many of you are asking, sir, what about TCS? And if you want to prepare for TCS, then the best course which you can get is TCS NQT crash course with updated patterns. We are continuously, we are going to add more mock tests, right? We are also, adding like TCS NQT 2024 asked questions, and that is there in right now we are doing it in C++ and plus Java as well. Python we are not doing it, right? So Java also we are like started adding the questions. Okay, so this will be a wonderful basically course for you, and this will give you a lot of things. So already aptitude, numerical ability, reasoning, okay, mock test, right? So here you can see TCS test series 2024, right? So this is based on the current pattern only. Okay, see the aptitude reasoning will never change, and always I put difficult level of the problem for TCS because the level is not very easy, right? Okay, so once again friends, before we end this video, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. And in 2024, we have given 5,000 plus selections in TCS. And this year we wanted to give same. So let us put effort together. Thank you. Take care. And all the very